Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Capricorn, welcome back. On Monday, if you are in a relationship, it's possible that you and your sweetheart are about to rethink how you cohabitate together. Family values and domestic needs are up for review. You might even be going back and forth discussing whether or not to have a child together. If you already have children, it's possible that you'll spend time discussing the radically different ways you each parent and how to reconcile this so that you're a united front. If you're single, you might need to consider how much you're letting the opinions of your relatives influence your romantic choices. This is a good time to be happy with your family members. However, you need to control your sweet intake. During this Venusian transit, it will be very hard for you to control your diabetes. So, if you already have that, then try to manage your sugar intake. Minor breathing issues can also come up, so try to stay away from cold food. Cold related allergies can be very much possible, and that can make you tired. There will be emotional issues, and please don't get into any verbal spat with your family members. There are some concerns for your family members as well. On Tuesday, talking about your feelings and deepest needs becomes paramount to you this week. You may know exactly how you feel and what you need from your partner, but you just can't manage to verbalize it in a way that's understood by your mate. You might even find yourself being more reactive than logical, which is only likely to make things more difficult in your love life. Are you overreacting to a situation or to something your lover says? Take a step back and see if you can uncover the genuine answer. If you're single, you could mentally drain yourself from overthinking any emotional lack you're feeling. Don't go down that rabbit hole. On Wednesday, you might be extra touchy this week about not feeling valued and appreciated by others, especially your partner. You may also feel like you're the one always giving and never being taken care of. If you harbor these feelings of resentment, it's a certain indicator that it must be addressed now. You're likely to sit and stew mentally, thinking about everything you have done in the past and how it wasn't reciprocated. It needs to stop. If you're single, it's possible that you realize you need to focus on getting your finances in order before you move on to your next relationship. On Thursday, Mercury turns retrograde in your sign, making it possible for you to think straight. You're likely to be a ball of reactive thoughts and emotions, and no matter how you try to communicate to others, it will come out all wrong. This isn't the time to initiate an important conversation with your partner or to try and make a decision together. Fortunately, the sun in your sign on Sunday will offer you a fresh start in the relationship department, regardless of what your current partnership status is. You just can't figure out how to implement it. Be patient. On Friday, there's more you're not saying to someone you love than what you are saying. That's a problem, and you know it. Yet you can't seem to get the words out no matter how much you realize you need to. As your words continue to get in the way of your love life, consider what's really happening. This silence is all about your insecurity of saying something that leads to you not receiving the emotional fulfillment you truly crave. You might fear rejection, or you might fear that revealing what you really desire will not be compatible with the person you desire it with. Either way, you need to work through the anxiety. It's time. Mercury was activating the reproductive organs for the week But from this week, this influence can be complex. There are chances of a bacterial attack. Menstrual and sexual issues are also possible during this week. The pineal gland is also activated, so this is a good time for meditation as well. Whenever the moon aspects this sector for head and cranium, you may get minor issues like cold or body aches. Venus is influencing your lower abdomen, so there can be digestive issues too. It will be difficult for you to control your sugar intake, and that can trigger diabetes. You need to have an eye on that as well. Have more food in liquid form and have a natural diet. On Saturday, if you think you can talk to your friend this week about any lack of emotional fulfillment in your love life, think again. Their opinions and voices will only serve to confuse you even more. In fact, you might unwittingly reveal information about your partner that is private and end up hurting your love connection more than anything else. If you're single, then you have an opportunity to review why you might be so emotionally closed from receiving love from another person. Why are you playing the avoidance game in dating? Today might help you change your social scene and your mindset. On Sunday, Saturn continues to move through your romance sector, giving you a taste of what is really limiting you in matters of the heart. You may feel lonely or more isolated than usual, especially if you're single. It's possible that you wonder if you'll ever have the love you crave. However, with Saturn in this part of your chart, you've got a major karmic lesson in love ahead. Define what you know you deserve in love and take a responsible approach to getting it. Roll up your sleeves and do the work, and then lasting love will be yours. Mars spends his final week in your true love sector, giving you plenty of steam in the love department. If you're single, your craving for love is ramped up. Because of this, you might take a subtle yet direct approach to getting your heart's desire. How will you accomplish this? A solid wink and smile at someone you're crushing over before you turn your head is one example. Or you might flirt with someone through social media. Don't miss this cosmic opportunity to engage with your next potential love mate. Make a move.
Money and career.
Monday will be a profitable day for you, but you need to remain alert. Do not enter into any fresh financial investments. Keep a close watch on your prevailing investments. It is also your responsibility to analyze what should be done in the future. In case you possess enough manpower and finances, then you can try your hand at the business of money lending, as it will give you good profits. It will be highly favorable for you to start your business or investment in these areas today. If you remain alert, then you will pass this day comfortably and profitably. On Tuesday, you will enjoy a good bonding with your children. Today, there will be a fair deal of success in terms of finance and foreign matters. However, your opponents may try to drag you in some arguments. It could be a tricky week in regards to money, transactions, and legal aspects. You will be able to gather some important luxury items for your home during this day. Your health will be better today when compared to the past. You will be able to enjoy a good level of physical fitness. Your past health issues will eventually subside. On Wednesday, you would do wonders in your business and job sectors with your constant efforts and creativity. If you are providing temporary services in an organization, your period would be suitably extended. If you are in an organization, you will be able to manage and execute the job and business tasks in an efficient manner. During the second phase of the day, You will witness many exciting opportunities for financial investments today. You will have an excellent time with respect to adding comforts to your family. Mutual bonding and affection will prevail in your love life. You will motivate your children towards a path of better future. On Thursday, you would be very happy the way things would shape up in your relationships. You may travel overseas during the end of the day. You will find this week to be profitable for investment matters. There are indications of ups and downs in the health aspects. Overall, today's day will be somewhat complicated when compared to the rest of the week. On Friday, there is a pilgrimage on the cards if you are a religious person. You will get the privilege of gaining experience from a senior person. You will be inclined to achieve a lot in your job and business if you are a working person. You will enjoy higher energy levels and a stronger health. You would bring a higher degree of joy and satisfaction for your parents if you are a student. You will be interested to get involved in religious works and pilgrimages. Your financial position will be better now. You will be busy in gathering some useful items for your comfortable life. You will get a chance to be friends with a noble person. If you are desiring to enhance your technical skills, this will be a very favorable period for you. There might be problems with respect to residence or vehicles. On Saturday, your vital power will be good. Disputes with the siblings are going to be resolved now. Your focus towards your work is going to be good, which can give you success in your business. With the assistance of your network, you will arrange for short work-related visits, which can offer you edges in the near future. Your subordinates can assist you in your important work-related calls. You'll expect to get good results from your hard work. Job seekers can find a good job after a tough time. Sunday won't be favorable. You will feel nervous. Anxiety can cause you to be upset. Spending less on value can have an effect on your savings. However, with the help of experience, you'll avoid making investments on risky assets. You'll pay your hard-earned money in artifacts, inventive stuff, which can improve your status. You're suggested to avoid arrogance with your spouse. It'll produce disturbance in the domestic harmony. Disputes in partnerships can likely be resolved. You'll also decide to invest in fixed assets or renovation of your house or workplace.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.